Artoonza.
Smash that like button, pretty please. Your thumb will thank you. Today, we're drawing the sun, planet Earth, stars, and a crescent moon. Basically, the whole universe on one piece of paper. No pressure. Forget NASA. They spent billions on space. We just need a black marker. Stick around, because the coloring section... Oh, wow. It's about to get totally galaxy-level gorgeous.
So cute.
You do not want to miss what's coming. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Rise and shine, superstar. We're dropping yellow like the sun just woke up and chose violence. Beautiful, glowing, can't look away violence. Give us a big thumbs up. Oh, look, the star said yellow is so last second and demanded a makeover. Pink first, because why not? Then purple, because these stars are clearly royalty. Now things are getting spicy. We're painting the crescent moon a dreamy orange, like a sunset took a nap in the sky and forgot to go home. And the sun's outer ring? Blazing red, because our sun doesn't do anything halfway. It's dramatic, it's bold, it's basically the diva of the entire solar system. And honestly, we respect it. The sun, the moon, the stars, and planet Earth. Basically, we're babysitting the entire universe. You're welcome, space.
So cute.
Ooh, we're dropping light green and light blue onto planet Earth now. Like the planet just got its own little spa treatment. Smash that like button now. Time to paint the oceans! Did you know Earth is 71% water? Yeah, our planet basically said, land is overrated, and went full ocean mode. We're brushing in that gorgeous light blue, smooth, calm, and cool, like the sea itself is whispering, shh, this is the most beautiful thing you've ever painted. And honestly, it's not wrong. Honestly, our solar system looks better on paper than in real life. And finally, the grand finale, the green carpet moment, the part the trees have been waiting for. We're painting Earth's land with light green. This is it, the finishing touch that turns our little drawing into a full-on planet. Every brushstroke is a forest. Every drop of green is a jungle whispering, thank you for not forgetting us.
So cute.
Earth is officially complete. It's stunning, it's glowing, and, dare we say it, it might just be the most beautiful planet in the whole entire universe. At least on this paper. Big kiss, superstars! Wait, don't go! Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here!